This is going to be the FE Industrial and Systems exam prep. This will be exam number 1, question number 2. And Dawn purchases a $10,000 car. She puts down $2,000 and finances the $8,000 balance. So this seems like a principal or an initial value. So she's going to be receiving an $8,000 loan at the beginning of this time frame. So the interest rate, that screams the interest rate, so 9% nominal, compounded monthly. Okay, and the loan is to be repaid in equal monthly installments over the next 4 years. So that seems like a time period, which is 4 years. But as we can see, everything has to be in months. So let's just go ahead and convert everything to months. Let's start with the interest. So if we were to divide this by 12, 0.09 divided by 12, we are going to get 0.0075. That's the interest. And if we were to convert this one into months, we multiply it by 12, so we get 48 months. That's per month. Okay, so Dawn's monthly car payment is most nearly, so that seems like an annuity. That's going to be the continued payment. So we're looking for this. Oh, this is an issue. So we have 4 variables. One of them is not accounted for, which is a final. But since it is a loan, we're always going to assume that a loan is going to be repaid in full at the end of the time frame. So in this case, the final is going to be $0. So the first thing we are going to do is try to find the annuity, which is what we want to find. So annuity is going to be, we are given the present value right here, so it's going to be present, but we want to try to get rid of the present value, so we're going to divide by the present. We're looking for the annuity, and it's a similar setup, interest rate, and then the number of periods. So we identify that the interest rate is 0.0075 and the N is 48. So let's just rewrite this. So A, and we know the principal. So it's going to be $8,000. Multiply that by A over P, comma, 0.0075 interest rate. Number of periods is 48. Okay, beautiful. So if we were to go over to right here, the engineering economics, and we go down to the tables again, we can see that 0.0075 is not a table that was given to us by the NCEES. So we are going to try to find it using the formulas. We are trying to find the annuity given the principal. So here we have this. So this right here is going to be the formula that we're going to end up using. So let's transition back to the worksheet. So let's just rewrite this. $8,000 is going to be multiplied by, it's going to be interest rate, 1 plus interest rate, all raised to the n power. You're going to divide that by 1 plus the interest. Again, raise it to the n power, and then you're going to subtract 1 from that. So if we were to just substitute in the variables that we are going to have $8,000 multiplied by interest rate, which is going to be 0.0075. Give it a bracket, and we are going to do 1 plus 0.0075 all raised to the n, which is 48. Don't forget the parentheses. And then we're going to have 1 plus 0.0075 again raised to the n, which is 48. We're going to subtract 1 from the bottom. Okay, and now if we were to plug that all into a calculator and simplify it, we would get that the total payments are going to equal $199.08. If we go up to the answer choices, we can see that D is the closest answer. So we can say that this is going to be approximately $200 a month, which means the answer is D.